Hey everyone, it's Britt from Food Crush, and today we're taking on an Italian classic, spaghetti bolognese, except with a slight healthy twist. We're getting rid of the spaghetti and adding spaghetti squash. It's going to be so delicious that it'll have any pasta lover coming back for more. First thing you want to do is you want to put some olive oil at the bottom of the pan, then put some garlic and saute it until it's nice and brown. Then we're going to hit it with our diced up green onions and saute that till it turns nice and translucent. Now we're gonna add our San Marzano peeled tomatoes. I just added half a can of tomato paste, and this is gonna be the key ingredient to making our sauce nice and thick. We're making a bolognese, so let's talk meat. In this bowl, I have 1 pound hot Italian sausage and 1 pound organic lean beef. We're gonna add it right into our simmering tomato sauce. First thing you wanna do is get a smaller knife and make small cuts lengthwise down the squash. And just gently wiggle your knife through. Just going to go in there with a spoon and dig out all of these guts. Once we have our squash cut, what we're going to do is we're going to drizzle some olive oil, making sure we get all the sides nice and coated. We're gonna bake these guys on 400 degrees for 45 minutes to brown out. Time to show you guys how to get the spaghetti out of the spaghetti squash. Just simply pull all these little noodles outwards to get a nice hefty scoop of our bolognese. Ooh, so hearty, so good, so much flavor, you guys. And then anything Italian needs some Parmesan cheese on top. So just gonna sprinkle this, and boom. Woo! Oh my God.